Hello everyone, welcome back to the Flying Sandal channel. Today we have the Assassin. So this wing has been a real joy to fly, mostly because it's indestructible. And today she learns a few new tricks, and the Assassin, let's just say, is not afraid of the knife. So we got a VTX with a true RC antenna here on the wing, right hand circular polarized. VTX is here, it's just an Eachine VTX. Running on a low power for racing. Then this is a lead for some new LEDs. Camera, Runcam Phoenix, Oscar Liang edition. And she basically just got new servos. I had a problem at the field and one of the servos burned up. So I went ahead and replaced both of them. And I made a little receiver box 3D printed, so those could be replaced easily in case there's need to replace any more, since that was the second servo I needed to replace. Alright, so let's show her in her glory. Let me plug in real quick. So let's see, XT60. I'm going to try to do it here with actually two hands. Give me a second. So what I did is, I have the XT60, the radio system off of the XT60. I'm running Express LRS, Maytech PWM receiver. But here's the neat trick. When I want to have lights on, there we go, and also FPV feed. So here we go. We got FPV. There's a camera, VTX, antenna, and she's rocking brand new lights. Alright, so she's ready for the races. Hope you like the short overview. Goodbye.